You're not going to meet people only who are coming with a disease in the body. You're going to meet people who are coming with worry, fear, and stress. Now, put both your hands again like this. Put yourself on the right hand side and put someone else on the left hand side. Someone else may not be a patient yet. It could be anybody around you. It could be a family member. And put both your hands like this equal. Now, if the person on the left hand side, because of their worry or fear or anger or whatever, is going down, lower energy. So where is this lower energy going to flow towards? It can happen even in a house, no? If one person is very troubled, very disturbed, where is that energy going? It's lower energy. Will this lower energy affect the other people in the house? Will this energy affect the other people in the house? Yes, because energy will flow like this. But you are going to meet throughout the day people at this energy who are going lower, and you are going to work inside a hospital where this is the normal emotion. So now again keep it like this. If this lower energy keeps coming to me, then gradually I don't even come to know my energy also starts going down. But now I want to do something for myself so that my energy does not get affected by this energy. So again hold both your hands like this, and the person there is going down. What can you do so that this doesn't affect you? What you would have to, very simple it is. If you keep holding your hand, you know the answer. What do I need to do? The I means the one who's on the right hand side. What do I need to do so that this energy doesn't affect me? Karo, haath upar karo. Like this. Not just like this. If it's very close up, it will still affect. Where do I have to go? Higher. So when I go higher, now what will happen? Energy cannot flow from lower to higher. Energy always flows from higher to lower. So their left hand emotions will not affect me, but my right hand feelings will start changing them. This is a proven fact, not just in a healthcare industry, but in any profession of the world. Your success is not just dependent on your expertise, your talent, and your skill. Your actual success is going to depend on who you are here.